While studying chemical engineering, one of the things that I was cooking all the time was sinigang. I lost the recipe my mom gave me, so I'm following one from the internet. And here I'm about to cut my beef. Walang luya ko, so I'm using this. The reason I have the powdered one is because the fresh one, it starts to like mold as soon as I get to my house. She chopped up another beef clean, and it's all getting ready. So this is what I would like to call a semi-batch reactor, because everything's going in here and I'm gonna stir everything up and make sure that once it's done, that's when I'm gonna actually eat it. I'm not trying to take things out as it's going in. That would be a CSTR. The recipe also called for hot water, so I'm gonna just fill this up. And here we go. And I'll be ready soon. This is the main star of the show, the tamarind, which will provide the sour taste. I usually get this from the Asian store, but when I didn't have a car and I didn't have an Asian store next to me, my mom said just to use a lemon to make the sour happen. Cannot forget your patis. My water has boiled, so now I'm gonna add it. At wala akong daikon radish, so I'm just gonna use potatoes. Cut off the parts I don't want, cut up everything I do want, and put it all in my batch reactor. After this, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. So my husband likes this one for pepper, and I'm just using Walmart salt. And some of you might be like, well, why don't you just use a packet? I have never used a packet for sinigang ever. And I think it's sacrilegious, and I mean, you can if you want to, but it's not gonna be as good as the one that my mom made. I'm gonna wait for the potatoes to get tender, and then I'm gonna add green beans and cabbage. All right, cabbage is all chopped up, and I'm just waiting for the potatoes to become tender. Potatoes aren't quite ready, but I'm just gonna add the cabbage now so that it has time to reduce. I'm gonna put in green beans, and I know I said the powder for the tamarind was sacrilegious, and so I know this seems sacrilegious, but I couldn't find any fresh green beans. My husband uses this tool. I call it the roly-poly. So that comes off. I think I should drain this. Maybe not. Maybe I won't. No, I won't drain this because it's got 290 milligrams of sodium and 90 there. I'm just gonna turn that up and then put this in here. Turning up the heat so that the water in here will evaporate a little bit faster and reduce down. And that's going to be my sinigang. Y'all, the soup here tastes phenomenal. It tastes so good. Here, have some.